Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have this question on your screen. We have root 7 power root under 24 minus root under x is equal to 49. We have to get the value for x over here. How we can get this value? So we are knowing that we have same base and same power if a to the power m, and that is equal to, suppose, a to the power n, then in that case n should be equal to m or m should be equal to n. These things are happening in case of, you know, having same base, and then their power will be same. So on this concept we will solve this question. Let's proceed. Before proceeding, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get my latest notification earlier. Let's proceed. Here, root can be write as power of 1 by 2, and then we have root under 24 minus root under x, and that is equal to 49 can be write as 7 square over here, and then we have same base, then we can equate their powers. So by equating their powers, we have half of root under 24 minus root under x over here, and here we have 2. Now this one we can put all the variables on one side, and all the constants will be on the one side. So this will be 24 minus root under x, that is root under is equal to 2 into 2, that is coming 4 over here, and we have root on this side, left side. So we need to eliminate these roots. How we can eliminate? By squaring on both sides. We have 24 minus root under x, that is equal to, we have 16 over here. By squaring on both sides we'll get this one. Now we need to put all the constant on right side and all the variables on the left side. So it is what, root under x, and here 16 minus 24, so it is coming minus 8 over here, and here minus root under x. So I need to remove this negative sign from both sides. So I need to multiply by minus 1 on both sides, and then I'll have root x is equal to 8. Finally I need to remove this root. How? By squaring on both sides. Then x is equal to, we have 8 square is equal to 64, and this is our solution for our question. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.